The clock strikes 11 p.m. The day is winding down for most, street lights cast long shadows, and a hush falls over the neighborhood. The world outside is quiet, a stark contrast to the storm brewing within you. Your mind is racing, ideas colliding, and possibilities swirling. Driven by a desire for something more, you instinctively reach for your phone and type, "How to make money online" into the search bar. The glow of the screen illuminates your face, reflecting a mixture of hope and determination. You're not alone in this quest. Millions are doing the same, scattered across time zones and continents, all united by a common goal, searching for a way out of the daily grind, a solution to financial pressures that weigh heavily on their shoulders, a side hustle to supplement their income, a means to pursue passions without sacrificing stability, or just a little extra breathing room in a world that often feels suffocatingly expensive, a buffer against the unexpected, a chance to finally exhale. The dream? It's a powerful one, fueled by the promise of a different kind of life. Earning a living from the comfort of your couch, no soul-crushing commute, no overbearing boss breathing down your neck, just pure, unadulterated freedom. The ability to dictate your own hours, to work on projects that ignite your soul, and to be present for the moments that truly matter. But let's be honest, it's not just about the money itself, it's about the transformative power of what money can do, the doors it can open, the burdens it can lift, to finally pay off that nagging debt that's been hanging over your head for years, freeing you from its relentless grip, to build a solid safety net, a financial cushion that allows you to weather unexpected storms without fear of being swept away, to buy back precious time with your family, to be present for milestones and everyday moments that you can never get back, or to finally fund that passion project you've always dreamed of, to nurture your creativity and share your unique gifts with the world. The internet, in its vastness, promises opportunity for anyone willing to seize it, regardless of their background, education, or social standing. The old traditional path, one job for life, one pension to look forward to, increasingly feels outdated, a relic of a bygone era. Economic uncertainty has become the new normal, a constant undercurrent of anxiety that permeates our lives. Online, in the digital landscape, it seems like anyone can win, can carve out their own niche, if they possess a good idea, a valuable skill, or simply unwavering determination. That flicker of hope, that tantalizing possibility, keeps you scrolling through endless articles and opportunities, each one promising a brighter future. You're imagining a life where you are the master of your own destiny, where you control your time, your income, and your overall well-being. But this very same hope, this burning desire for a better life, can also make people vulnerable, susceptible to, scams, get-rich-quick schemes, and empty promises that prey on desperation and naivety. The digital rabbit hole is deceptively deep, filled with alluring distractions and misleading information, and not every opportunity is truly what it seems on the surface. Tonight, your late-night search is about more than just making money. It's about reclaiming control of your life, about forging your own path to financial freedom, and about building a future where you are the architect of your own success. The rush to make money online isn't a fad, it's a response to a changing world. Job security is fragile, and people want backup plans. Online hustles offer flexibility, autonomy, and a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. You can start a business from your laptop. Platforms like Etsy, Upwork, and YouTube make entrepreneurship accessible to all. Success stories fuel the dream, showing that new paths to financial independence are possible. That's why millions are searching for their slice of the online pie. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes, flashy ads, fake testimonials, and empty promises. The biggest red flag? Promises of big money for little effort. Real online income takes work, skill, and time. Scams use vague language, high-pressure sales tactics, and artificial urgency to push you into buying worthless courses or software. If someone's hiding details or rushing you, walk away. Ask yourself, if it's so easy, why are they selling the secret? The only people getting rich from these schemes are the ones selling them. Trust your gut, do your research, and remember, real opportunities are transparent and require real effort. Let's bust the top myths. First, automated trading bots. Most are scams or unreliable. Real trading is complex and risky. Second, high-paying surveys. They pay pennies, waste your time, and often just harvest your data. Third, done-for-you business systems, usually pyramid schemes where only the top recruiters profit. All these myths promise shortcuts, but real online income comes from real work and value. Don't fall for easy money, build something real. So, what actually works? Providing value, plain and simple. You can sell your skills, sell products, sell your knowledge, or sell attention. Freelancing, trade your expertise for money. E-commerce, sell physical or digital products. Knowledge, package what you know into courses or guides. Content, build an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Each path takes effort, but all are proven and accessible. Pick one, focus, and deliver real value. That's the real secret to online income. Do you ever find yourself thinking you don't possess any skills that are valuable enough to sell? Maybe you feel like you're not an expert in any particular field, or that your talents are too niche to be in demand. Think again. You might be surprised at the hidden value within your everyday abilities. Writing emails, crafting clear and concise messages, is a skill many businesses need. Organizing data, managing spreadsheets, and keeping digital files in order are essential for efficiency. Proofreading, catching errors and ensuring clarity, these are valuable services that can save companies time and money. Freelancing lets you start with zero investment, no need for fancy equipment or a large initial outlay. Your time and ability are your assets, the foundation upon which you can build a successful freelance career. Create a profile on Upwork or Fiverr, showcasing your skills and experience to a global audience. And offer what you're good at, highlighting your unique strengths and the value you bring to potential clients. Your first goal: land a client. Even a small project can be a significant first step. Do great work, exceeding expectations, and get a positive review, which will attract more clients. Start small, write blog posts, sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. Design graphics, creating visually appealing content for businesses and individuals. Manage schedules, helping busy professionals stay organized and on track. Or edit videos, transforming raw footage into engaging and polished content. Even hobbies can be monetized. Turn your passions into profit. Editing gameplay, creating highlight reels and engaging content for gamers. Creating social media content, crafting engaging posts and managing online presence and more. The possibilities are endless. Build your portfolio, showcasing your best work and demonstrating your capabilities. Gather reviews, positive feedback from satisfied clients, and raise your rates as you grow, reflecting your increasing experience and expertise. Freelancing is earn while you learn, a chance to expand your skill set while getting paid. A direct way to turn your skills into cash, providing a tangible reward for your efforts. The journey is gradual, a process of continuous improvement and growth. But every step builds your reputation and income, creating a sustainable and rewarding career. Start today. Take that first step towards unlocking your potential. Your skills are worth more than you think, and the world is waiting for you to share them. Ready to build something bigger? E-commerce and content creation are your next steps. E-commerce. Sell products online, either your own or through dropshipping or print on demand. You don't need to invent something new, you just need to market and serve customers. Content creation. Build an audience on YouTube, a blog, or social media. Share what you know or love: tech reviews, recipes, history, anything. At first, focus on creating value and building a community. Once you have an audience, monetize with ads, sponsorships, or your own products. Both paths take time and patience, but they can scale beyond trading hours for dollars. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards can be huge. Build an asset, not just a job. Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer scope of online opportunities? It's completely understandable. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, and it's easy to feel lost in the sea of possibilities. Don't let that feeling paralyze you. Start small, pick one path. Freelancing, whether it's writing, design, or development, e-commerce, perhaps selling handmade goods or curated products, or content creation, sharing your expertise and passion with the world. And commit to taking your first concrete step this week. Write it down, make it a goal, and break it down into manageable tasks. Don't quit your day job just yet. Just create a profile on a platform that interests you, or watch a tutorial to learn a new skill. Dip your toes in the water before diving in head first. Safety first, always. Never, under any circumstances, pay for a job opportunity. Legitimate opportunities will pay you, not the other way around. Never share sensitive personal information like your social security number or bank account details with strangers online. Protect your privacy, and always use secure payment platforms like PayPal or Stripe for all transactions. Keep all communications and payments on trusted sites like Upwork or Fiverr, which offer built-in protection for both freelancers and clients. If someone asks you to go off-platform to communicate or handle payments, or asks you to pay up-front for any reason, it's almost certainly a scam. Report them immediately. Start with small wins. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Your first completed profile, with a professional-looking headshot and a compelling bio, your first well-crafted proposal, tailored to the specific needs of the client, and of course, your first dollar earned online. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Focus on continuous improvement rather than striving for unattainable ideals. Mistakes and rejection are inevitable parts of the process. Don't let them discourage you. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and keep moving forward. Protect your finances by budgeting wisely and tracking your income and expenses, and protect your time by setting realistic goals and prioritizing tasks. Stay curious, stay safe by being vigilant about potential scams, and keep learning new skills to stay ahead of the curve. Taking the first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important step you can take towards building your online success. So, take that leap of faith and begin your journey today. Building online income is a get-rich-slow process. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's highlight reel. Persistence is key. Most people quit when things get tough. Analyze, adapt, and keep going. Stay skeptical. Question big promises, do your own research, and don't follow gurus blindly. Learn from many sources and trust your judgment. Be optimistic but cautious. Online income is about empowerment and control over your future. It's not easy or quick, but it's real and achievable. Start small, stay safe, be persistent, and get started today.